They say a clean home reflects a clear mind. But the bathroom, that's the battleground. It's where you begin and end each day, a place of renewal, reflection, and sometimes chaos. Yet no matter how often you scrub, it never seems to stay clean for long. Why? Because most people clean for now, not for later. Today, we'll change that. You're about to learn how to clean your bathroom so well, it stays clean longer than you ever thought possible. Welcome to the place most of us avoid cleaning until it's absolutely necessary, the bathroom. Soap scum, water stains, grime, mildew, hair strands. It's where dirt meets humidity and time multiplies the mess. But what if cleaning didn't have to be a never-ending cycle? What if you could restore that feeling of freshness and make it last? This isn't just about scrubbing surfaces. It's about understanding why your bathroom gets dirty and how to make every minute of your cleaning effort count twice as long. Section 1. The foundation, mindset, and preparation. The secret to a long-lasting clean doesn't begin with bleach or brushes. It begins with mindset and preparation. Before you lift a sponge, take a moment to declutter. Every bottle, every razor, every random bar of soap out. A clean space isn't built around chaos. When you clear the surfaces, you clear your path to an efficient clean. Next, gather your tools. Not just any, but the right ones. A microfiber cloth for delicate surfaces. A sturdy scrub brush for grout and corners. A squeegee for glass and tiles. An all-purpose cleaner, a descaler, disinfectant, and mild detergent. And perhaps most importantly, gloves and ventilation. You're not cleaning for appearances. You're restoring balance and protecting your health. Section 2. The science of dirt, knowing your enemy. To clean smarter, you must first understand what you're fighting. Bathrooms accumulate four main types of grime. Soap scum, formed when soap meets minerals and hard water. Limescale, the chalky residue left by evaporated water. Mold and mildew, born from trapped humidity. Body oils and dust, the invisible layer that dulls surfaces over time. Each type needs its own approach. That's why one universal cleaner doesn't cut it. The goal is targeted cleaning. So instead of fighting everything at once, you'll handle each enemy like a strategist. Section 3. Step-by-step cleaning that lasts. 1. The shower and tub, where residue lies. Begin here, because this is the heart of humidity. Spray your tub and shower walls generously with a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. That's when the chemistry happens. The vinegar dissolves minerals and breaks down soap scum. While you wait, mix a paste of baking soda and dish soap. This will handle the stubborn stains. Scrub gently with a brush in circular motions, especially around corners and grout lines. Then rinse thoroughly with warm water. And here's the secret to long-lasting shine. Finish with a rinse of diluted rubbing alcohol. It speeds up drying, leaving fewer watermarks. Finally, and this is key, use your squeegee to remove all leftover water. Water is what invites limescale back. The less water left behind, the longer your shine stays. 2. The toilet, the unspoken challenge. The toilet, often the most dreaded part. But it doesn't have to be. First, pour a cup of vinegar into the bowl and let it sit for 5 minutes. The acidity will loosen mineral deposits and neutralize odor. Then sprinkle baking soda around the bowl. You'll see a soft fizz. That's chemistry in action. Scrub thoroughly, paying attention under the rim. Don't forget the outside. Handle, seat hinges, base. These areas collect invisible bacteria. Use disinfectant spray and wipe down with a microfiber cloth. To keep it clean longer, here's a pro tip. Drop a few drops of essential oil into the toilet tank, lemon or eucalyptus. Every flush releases a fresh scent and lightly sanitizes. 3. The sink and counter, where everyday life shows. Toothpaste splatter, soap residue, hair strands. The sink area takes daily abuse. Start by clearing all items. Then, spray your all-purpose cleaner and let it sit briefly. Scrub around the faucet base, the hidden build-up zone, with an old toothbrush. Polish the tap with a mix of vinegar and a drop of dish soap, then buff with a dry cloth. Stainless steel loves attention. And to keep it cleaner longer, apply a thin film of car wax or baby oil once a month. It repels water and soap, slowing down grime buildup. 4. The mirror, the reflection of your effort. A spotless mirror brightens the entire bathroom, but streaks ruin the illusion. Mix vinegar and water in a spray bottle mist lightly, and wipe with a folded microfiber cloth in an S pattern. The trick? Never spray directly onto the mirror. It seeps behind and causes foggy edges. Want it to stay clean longer? Rub a small amount of shaving cream onto the mirror, then wipe it off. It prevents fog for days and adds a gentle shine. 5. Floors and hidden corners. The finishing touch. Dirt loves the forgotten spaces, behind the toilet, around the corners, under the sink. Sweep or vacuum first. Dry debris must go before any mop touches the ground. Then, mop using a bucket of warm water mixed with a few drops of dish soap and vinegar. Rinse with clean water, and here's the underrated secret. Dry the floor completely. Water left behind breeds mildew and dulls tiles. A dry floor today means a cleaner bathroom tomorrow. Section 4. The invisible enemy. Humidity and air. You can scrub for hours, but if you ignore humidity, you'll always lose the battle. Mold doesn't grow because your bathroom is dirty. It grows because it's damp. To fix this, improve airflow. Open the window after every shower. Run an exhaust fan for 15 to 20 minutes post-bath. Leave the bathroom door open afterward to let air circulate. If you live in a humid climate, place moisture absorbers or a bowl of baking soda in a corner. They'll silently pull moisture out of the air. A dry bathroom is a clean bathroom. Section 5. Long-lasting strategies. How to keep it that way. You've done the hard part. Now comes the smarter part. Maintenance. Think of it like this. Every few seconds of upkeep prevent hours of deep cleaning later. Here's how to make your bathroom stay clean longer. Use a daily shower spray. A quick mist after bathing prevents buildup. Keep a small squeegee nearby. 10 seconds of swiping saves you from hard water stains. Wipe down the sink nightly. It's easier to clean fresh splatters than dried residue. Use baskets or trays. Contain your items. Less clutter means fewer hiding spots for grime. Switch to liquid soap or dispensers. Bar soaps leave scum, liquids rinse cleaner. Replace shower liners every 2 to 3 months. It's cheaper than constant mold scrubbing. Keep your ventilation routine. Air is your invisible ally. The goal isn't perfection, it's preservation. Section 6. A deeper reflection. Why cleanliness matters. In many cultures, cleanliness is more than hygiene. It's discipline. A clean bathroom teaches consistency, awareness, and self-respect. It's where we wash away the dust of the world, the sweat of effort, the marks of time. To maintain that space is to honor the cycle of renewal. Every time you choose to clean, you're not just wiping surfaces, you're refreshing your environment, your mindset, your peace. Section 7. Maintenance routine. Weekly, monthly, seasonal. To truly make your effort last, follow this rhythm. Weekly. Wipe down mirrors, faucets, and counters. Spray vinegar on shower walls and rinse. Mop the floor lightly. Monthly. Deep clean grout lines and decal taps. Wash shower curtains or liners. Sanitize trash cans and drains. Seasonally, every 3 months. Empty cabinets. Declutter expired products. Reseal grout or recaulk edges if needed. Refresh walls and corners with mild detergent. These aren't chores, they're investments in peace of mind. Section 8. Final touches and scent. The final step of a truly clean bathroom is scent. Freshness shouldn't come from overpowering sprays, but from subtle cleanliness. Diffuse essential oils like eucalyptus, lavender, or lemon. Or hang a small sachet of baking soda and herbs behind the door. Clean smell plus dry air plus organized surfaces equals a space that feels new every day. The bathroom is the smallest room with the greatest responsibility. It cleans you, so you must return the favor. With the right mindset, the right rhythm, and the right habits. You won't just have a clean bathroom, you'll have one that stays clean. Because true cleanliness isn't about what happens after the scrub, it's about what happens between them. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you to reclaim your space, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a little motivation, and don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic home inspiration. Remember, a clean space builds a calm mind, and peace begins right where you live.